Hello and welcome back to Designing with Reggie. What you have here is a a garment, a dress that's going to be a side cowl, and I'm going to drape it from one singular piece of muslin. Yes, you heard me right. One singular piece of muslin. Now, this is a Japanese technique. Now, I can't remember the designer who came up with this technique, but it is really, really cool and you're going to love it. And I hope you follow along with me or save these recordings and go back so you can look at it. But it is 2 yards. You're going to need 2 yards of muslin or fabric that's 2 yards long and about 50 or 60 inches wide. I know, that's a lot. And remember I told you about draping on the bias. By draping on the bias, it allows the fabric to fall in the manner in which you want it to fall in. So, as you can see, this is draped on the bias. I went ahead and drew 15 inches from the corner down here to the neckline, okay? And then I pinned it all the way down almost to the bust line. But we've got issues here. See how this looks? We need to get rid of that. So let's get rid of that, and I'm going to show you how to do it. This video is going to be in several different segments because this is very intense. See how, look, it already relaxed. So what we're going to do is continue to cut all the way down. I hope you can see all the way down to that 15-inch mark. We're going to lay it over the shoulder. Now you know what's next. You know exactly what's next. The clip and release or the clip and awe method. So let's go ahead and work on that. Remember how we do it? We slash here, slash, do another slash there. I'm trying to hold up so you can see. And look at what happens. It lays flat. Isn't that amazing? Now you do the same thing with the other side. Let's get rid of that excess. Put it there, roll it down, slash and release, slash and let's get rid of that tension and just lay it over the shoulder, just like that. But go ahead and cut the excess off because guess what? You don't need it. But there's still tension here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's still tension here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to slash a little bit more to release more of that tension. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and pin my shoulder seam right there. I'm going to put one right here. And then I'm going to put another one closer to the neckline. Perfect. Now I'm going to do the same to the other side. But guess what? I'm still getting tension here. So I'm going to go ahead and slash a little bit more. And that has released, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a pin here, right at the neck, the base of the neck right there. I'm gonna put another pin here, and then I'm gonna put another pin right there. Then I'm gonna come to the side, your right side, and I'm gonna take my hands, I'm not gonna pull, I'm gonna smooth this over, smooth it over to the bottom of the arm plate right here. And I'm going to do a slide method, which is slide it in and make sure that the pin comes out on the other side just like that. So now that's the first part of this tutorial. Happy designing, happy Monday. I will be back in 2 seconds to finish part 2.